this is a quick disclaimer before you get into this project. I am going at a kind of a slower pace, so you might want to 2x this, and you may want to skip some parts, to be quite honest with you. This entire tutorial is really geared towards beginners as much as possible. Like, I'm not showing you how to download software. I'm assuming that you can do some things yourself. But for those of you who really want to get started in coding, and you want to get like a good solid project where you're not just making a calculator, but you're connecting to like a database, and it's a database out there in the wild, i.e. online in the cloud, as opposed to a local database, you're gonna have this when you're doing that project on your own. Even though you're going to be utilizing something like Microsoft's tutorials, what I have found a lot of times is when I'm going there, unless I'm there and it's kismet and it's at the exact right time, a lot of this information is out of date. And you're gonna follow along with the tutorial, and you're gonna get so many errors, and you don't know where the errors are coming from or why the errors are occurring, and you can literally spend days just sorting through errors trying to figure out what's going wrong. And a lot of times the errors are simply because the software and the drivers are just out of date, and that's why nothing's working, nothing's meshing. So this is for those people. This is for those people now and in the future who are working through these types of things, trying to figure out what's going on. Everything that I'm doing, even though it's kind of long-winded, I will admit, is really designed to help people troubleshoot. So if they run across an error and it's 2 years down the line, they would at least know, okay, let me go to this website so I can look for this dependency to make sure that I have the right version, right? So that's who this is for. So if you're a person who is a bit advanced, you kind of already know what's going on. Like I said, 2x this or skip some things. But that's probably what you're going to need to do in order to get through this, so that you can kind of get to the meat of the matter. But if you're unfamiliar and you don't know what's going on, just watch it all the way through. I do ramble. I'm sorry. But watch it all the way through so that you can at least understand how to problem solve and troubleshoot your own issues if you come across these issues, okay? So that being stated, you can go ahead to the next video, and happy coding.